Hey guys, Jansen Fancher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. And today we are viewing a 2019 Grand Mariner 250. It's got a 350 Verado on it. Let's take a look at the rear. Plug in here for the battery charger, covered rear deck speakers. As we move on the boat, great ladder. Quite strong. Got a JL Audio remote here. Lots and lots of storage. USB, another remote, charge those phones, cup holders. This upholstery is water resistant. Got a subwoofer in here, adjustable cup holders. Check out where your battery switches are located. Super easy. Over here, this is our power tower, and I uncovered the side so you guys can take a look at how great the materials are that they use. Here's what it looks like normally. From the helm, digital throttle, JL Audio stereo system. It is the Diamond series. This boat has LEDs all through it. Got the Simrad display, JL Audio head unit. Everything you could want in a tri-tune. Additional storage here at the helm. Each seat pops up just like this. This is all one-handed, ladies and gentlemen. Additional cup holders. This is a true dual hinge seat. Cup holders, super easy to use, very functional. As we move forward, plenty of storage. Optional changing station, an additional subwoofer. This boat's gonna rock. Storage in here. Get all your fenders in there if you want, or your skis. More cup holders. Look at all the storage up front. Uncovered it so you guys can see how easy it is to do this one-handed. Thank you guys for taking a look at this beautiful 2019 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. If you guys have any questions, give me a call at 573-606-3029. Thank you.